Welcome to @future_creator_hub. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of registering a business in New Jersey. Whether you're starting a small business or incorporating a company, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process with ease. First, you need to decide on a business structure. In New Jersey, you can register as a sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation. Each structure has its own advantages and disadvantages, so it's essential to choose the one that best suits your business needs. Next, you'll need to choose a unique and memorable business name. Make sure to check if the name is available using the New Jersey Business Gateway database. To register your business with the state, you'll need to file the necessary paperwork and pay the required fees. You can do this online through the New Jersey Business Gateway website. Depending on the type of business you're starting, you may need to obtain licenses and permits from the state or local government. Research the specific requirements for your business and obtain the necessary licenses and permits. Finally, you'll need to register for taxes with the state of New Jersey. This includes obtaining an EIN, Employer Identification Number, from the IRS and registering for state taxes through the New Jersey Division of Taxation. That's it. By following these steps, you can easily register your business in New Jersey. Remember to stay organized and keep track of your paperwork. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business-related content. If you're interested in learning more about starting or growing a business, check out our other videos. @future_creator_hub is dedicated to providing valuable resources and guidance for entrepreneurs and small business owners. From business registration to marketing and growth strategies, we'll cover it all. Subscribe now and join our community of business enthusiasts.